Good morning. Turn the radio off. It is currently 8:39 in the morning on the school run. You can tell it's cold outside because you can see your own breath. It's very chilly. It's about 5.5 degrees at the moment. Today's plan is Grayson at school. Bit of shopping as always at the bloody supermarket. Pick Deacon up from preschool. Come back home. Do a bit of housework. Same shit, different day. Then pick Grace up and then pick Addy up. Yes, I forgot my bag. I left them in the car. It's a beautiful day today. It's a little bit on the chilly side, but it's a beautiful day. Look at that weather. Look at it. Incredible. So just off to get Deaky Weeks from preschool. And then back for some lunch for me. Deacon's new preschool in the local village hall. And just on the other side of the trees is Addy's school. What is this chick doing? Is she breaking into the place? Seriously? Morning. Excuse the state of the car. Right, hello you. Morning everybody. Yeah, so what a horrendous start to the morning. Car wouldn't start. Had to get someone out to try and jump it for me because I'm going to jump leads. Needs a new battery, needs new glow plugs. Grief we could do about. So now Addy's at school. Cara took Addy to school and then she had to come back to take Grayson to school. So she's late for work. So now I need to get the car fixed. Do the monster boogie bear?
Yeah!
Morning all. Still feeling a bit rough. Car's sorted, but today it's the phone. My phone screen is playing up. Fortunately it's under warranty. I had it repaired last time, so I'm back to the shop this morning to get that fixed. Just on the school run. And that's all I've got planned for today. So, turns out I had to go to the Apple store in the end to get my phone sorted. Local Apple store to us. They said it needed a hard reset, so fingers crossed. I haven't really had a chance to play with it much yet. Hopefully it's all worked. We shall see. Morning, it's Saturday. I feel like crap. There won't be a lot going on today at all. Cara's headed out already to go and help out a local one of Deacon's nurseries, preschool's jumble sale today. So if you're looking for something to do, pop out and see that. No, it's no point in telling you now because you won't see this next week, so it already happened. So I should have done it last week, hey ho. Yeah, that's about it. Not much going on. Oh, I think Addy might be going to see Trolls later. And that's it. Lazy day. Morning. Today is Sunday. Deacon's gone truck racing with his popsy and his uncle. Not actually driving the trucks, just watching the trucks at Brands Hatch. So it just leaves me and Cara and Grayson and Addison. Probably going to pop to Wingham Wildlife Park. Got a little bit of shopping to do at the supermarket. But that's about it today. Not a great deal going on. Still feeling quite rough. I am personally. I think Cara's not feeling great still either. So yeah, lazy day. Take it all in stride.
You gonna give Grayson a ball? Watch. Pick up, because you're not supposed to be in here because you're too big. Yeah, but Grayson's different, isn't he? Because he can't play on the big soft play. You gonna lay down? You gonna go again? What colour? They're fast, aren't they?
Yeah.
The red one wins.
Yeah, red one wins. That was funny.
Very festive. Who's Daddy?
That's what you said. You said Father Claus. Dado Claus. Are you going to school today?
Yeah.
Dressed as what?
A witch.
A witch? Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's that on your head?
It's a witch's hat.
No, it's not.
Yeah. I'm going to a witch school today.
Are you?
Yeah.
Cool. What are you going to learn? You're going to learn potions?
I'm gonna learn to make potions.
Cool.
When I grow up, I want to be a big witch and make lots of potions.
Deacon. Deacon, look. What you got on your head? No, had on your head, should I say?
Who are you, Mr. Rarringtons? Are you Witch Rara? You look like a very handsome witch, don't you? Should we make Dado the witch now?
Yeah, make Dado the witch.
Dado the witch?
My cameo. Watch this space, it's going to be the next Harry Potter. Morning all. So, Monday. Weather is absolutely horrendous at the moment. It's absolutely lashing down. The wind is unbelievable. Feeling like crap. I mean, absolute crap today. But hey ho. Taking Grayson to school. Deacon's not at school today because he had a dreadful day yesterday, and he's been up since 2:30. Yeah, 2:30. He's napped on and off, but me and Cara are ruined. So hopefully he'll spend the day with me, catch up. Got a couple errands to run, doctors. A bit of shopping as usual, and that's about it. So yeah, see how the day pans out. And it is raining, Deacon, yes, as you heard. Bargain shop for Morrison's. It's normally 3 for £5, 6 boxes 6 for £9. Because the boxes are broken up, I got 6 for £6.50. Results. What are you up to?
What are you doing, Dee? I don't know.
I'm doing nanas.
No, it's not nanas, we're baking.
Baking that.
Baking, what are you baking?
Baking this.
Cookies.
Ooh, yum yum.
I'm gonna use that minute.
We are going to use that, yeah.
Is that a mid-bake refreshment?
I'm gonna
And sore throat refreshment.
okay, a minute. Like this. Can I see inside the bowl?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Yum yum.
Tasty.
I wanna
Oh, it smells
eat.
good.
That's yummy.
Is it yummy? Sure?
Yeah, yummy. Really yummy.
They're going to be cookies. We've got to add the chocolate chips. Right, we need to get a spoon.
Chocolate chips. I'm gonna get
Right,
some
you
more.
come down now.
What is it?
Mummy's going to get a spoon.